All right, so let's talk about the cybersecurity attacks happening in Baltimore. You have a certain group of evil hackers out there that are specifically targeting cities and governments for the purposes of disrupting services, stealing records, and primarily locking all the files and demanding a ransom to be paid to unlock all the files. The problem is these things could easily be prevented with a few simple measures put in place to help thwart these attacks. What we've seen as the security experts in this area are that the smaller the company or the smaller the government office, the less security they actually have in place, therefore making them an even more vulnerable target. We feel that we're uniquely positioned to be able to help our local county and government offices not end up in the national spotlight for cybersecurity attacks. One of the ways we want to do this is we're hosting a free lunch and learn, June 26th, 12 o'clock. We're going to show you the top 4 or 5 areas where hackers typically exploit a local government network and the top 4 or 5 things you can do to help defend against those attacks. This 45-minute meeting will be very high level, it will not be very technical, and again, it is not a sales meeting. Please fill out the form to sign up and reserve your spot for the meeting. We'll see you there.